Welcome to Smiley Vlogs.
What's up, YouTube? We're recording again live for El Smiley Vlogs. We are, what is this? February 19th of 2022. Just a little meet and greet, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hit the like, subscribe button, the share button. Y'all follow Iggy. What's your page, bro?
Living like Iggy.
Living like Iggy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go follow him. What else you gotta say, little cut? He's tired. Cops been chasing us all night. That's the setup.
Hi, mate. I drive that white Hyundai Genesis over there.
Tell me what's going on. What's with it right now?
What's happening?
What are you doing? What's the modifications?
Modifications. Oh, it's a full bolt-on by 93. It's right now I got a blow-by. I got a stage 2 clutch. That's about it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh man.